First is Jeopardy.
Shut
Play
up.
up to 12
Alexa,
new
shut up.
Jeopardy. Clues each weekday from
Alexa, I
categories
said
that-
shut up. All right. What is up, guys? Zenatech here, back again for another video. So a few days ago, Amazon actually finally invited me to test out their Echo Auto. So this is basically having Alexa for your car. But actually I've reviewed one of the few units before they even released the Amazon Echo Car, or should I say Amazon Echo Auto, because I actually reviewed the Row Viva by Anchor. And actually, if you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out up here. So I was really surprised they actually sent me an invitation. I actually did apply for an invitation to be put on the list, to be one of the first people to get my hands on the first Amazon Echo Auto. But you know, I'm just a small YouTube channel, but I was really surprised when I got the email. So I'm like, oh,
hell yeah.
So I'm like, let's do it, you know what I mean? So I finally got it, and I don't know, I might say it's a little disappointing. And this is my honest review about the Amazon Echo Auto. So let's go ahead, guys, and check it out. So let's go ahead and open this box, guys. It doesn't seem like Amazon's ready to release it yet because the box looks fairly plain, and they actually ship out with the air vent mount. So this is gonna be an extra. So if you're gonna buy this, there are gonna be some necessary add-ons. So you're gonna have to actually buy the Echo Auto air vent mount for extra. So I don't know why they did that. As you can see, the box looks fairly cheap looking because, I mean, it's Amazon. That's the way they do it. Even if you buy their tablets or the Echo Dot or anything like that. I'm surprised actually the 12-volt adapter to 5-volt adapter that comes with it, it's actually 2 amps per port, per USB port. So you have a total of 4 amps, which is great. You also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which you can actually plug into your auxiliary input to your car. It also comes with a USB cable. This is just looking just like any other regular Echo device, like the ones you have in your house. So I don't know why. What is up with the wires? What is up, Amazon? What are you guys doing over there at your R&D section? This is the Echo Auto right here. There's about 8 omnidirectional microphones, and also you have the mute button and the action button. Looking on the side here, you have your micro USB port and also an auxiliary port. There's a little line, that little line on the other side, that's actually a loudspeaker, so I doubt it's gonna sound any good. So let's set that down for now, and let's take a look at the Echo Auto vent mount. I would say the build quality for the vent mount, it's actually pretty robust. It's made out of hard plastic, and it does have that Amazon Smile logo arrow thingamajig. The bottom of the Echo Auto is magnetic, so that's the base. So you can just, all you have to do is line it up to that square part on the top of the vent mount, and it looks like you are good to go. So that's it for now for the unboxing. So let's go to my car and see how this thing works. There's a few spots here in this car where I can actually probably set it right here if I'm not going to use the vent. Or I can probably set it up here, probably down here. I've seen a few people put it down here so it's like less noticeable. I'm gonna try to see if I can use this vent mount. So basically what you do is just magnets in place. I don't know, guys. Tell me if you like this. I don't know, it just looks weird. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. So just mind you guys, if you're gonna leave your car for a very long period of time and you're planning on storing this, it's recommended that you have to store it somewhere inside probably your glove compartment or something like that. So that's what's gonna happen if it's not hooked up properly to your vent mounts. I don't know, guys. This is starting to become more of a failure than a success for me when it comes to liking this device. Let's go ahead and power it up. Let me go reach into this vent. Where do you go? Over there. Alright. My back's starting to hurt, guys. Round 2. Here's the Echo Auto. Okay. Here's the Echo Auto. So I'm gonna go ahead and boot it up with the included 12 volt adapter to your 5 volt adapter. So let's go ahead and plug this guy in. So it's gonna look really tacky, guys. So I'm telling you right now, it's gonna look tacky. Let me unplug my dash cam here and plug this guy down here. All right. Plug it in like so.
Hello. Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
So that's actually a loudspeaker. It doesn't sound great, but this is mainly for setup purposes. Okay, so it's asking me right now to set it up via the Alexa app.
Ready for setup. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do that, but first my hands are getting tired, so I'm gonna mount you. Okay, so like I said, guys, it's not looking pretty right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this guy in here for now. So depending on what type of vent you guys have in your car, maybe it's gonna look better than what I have on me right now, but then again, there's a few vents that it's not meant to fit. So if you're in this category right here, then you're basically shit out of luck. Time for me to set it up, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Alexa app here, swipe from the left hand side, and it says add device. I don't know if you guys can see it. Add device. So go ahead and add device, and it's gonna give you some options here. Of course, it's gonna be an Amazon Echo. A list right here. Just go ahead and tap Echo Auto. Go ahead and tap it. It's gonna give you a warning sign. Don't set it up while you're driving. Pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it's common sense. So go ahead and hit continue. So it's actually asking me to attach it to my air vent. So I already attached it, as you can see right here. And it's actually searching. I guess I'm supposed to tap it. There we go. So you see that dot animation on the bottom? It makes you think that it's still trying to search for it, but make sure you guys tap it. I don't think the user interface is very user friendly. So once your phone detects your device, go ahead and tap continue. And it's gonna ask you to select an accessory. It's funny because Amazon already searched for my accessory here, the Amazon Echo, and yet it's not showing here. And it says it may take a few minutes for your Echo Auto F390 to appear in the list. Isn't that weird? I don't know. What do you think, guys? Put it down in the comments. The setup is just ridiculous. Not really ridiculous, it's just kind of a pain to set this up.
15 minutes later.
Oh, now there we go. So it finally detected it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and tap it. Echo Auto 4390. Connecting. Can your card connect to your phone with Bluetooth to play music? Yes. Test connection to car stereo. So press play. So I did hear that sound. It is coming from my speakers. So go ahead and continue. If you don't hear the sound, you can always plug in your 3.5mm cable if you don't have any Bluetooth on your head unit. It's just finishing setting up right now. Of course, there's going to be a small video for you to watch. I mean, I don't see any skip options here, so I'm just going to go ahead and play it for you guys.
Echo Auto. Getting started is easy.
And that's done. So hit next. So it looks like we're in, guys. We are in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. Alexa, what's the weather?
There's an excessive heat warning in effect until Wednesday, August 21st, 8 p.m. The current weather is 110 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has mostly clear skies with a low of 82 degrees.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
gas stations. 1. Ventura Market.
Alexa,
0.
stop. So it looks like on Bluetooth there seems to be a little bit of delay on the audio. You can't really hear the first, I don't know, first half second of what Alexa is trying to say. So I guess that's just a common thing for most Bluetooth devices. I don't know. It could be different from each car model. There's actually a list on Amazon where it's not compatible in other cars. So go ahead and take a good look at it. You can pause this video to see if it's compatible for your car or not. Moving on. So this is what it looks like right now. So basically you have Echo Auto in your car. So what does this basically mean as the end user? So it's all about hands-free connectivity. So you can make calls, of course. I wonder if it can ask directions or actually open up the app for you like Google Maps, just like Roviva. Alexa, take me to the nearest Walmart.
Supercenter on 1725 West Hunt Highway in Santan Valley.
Yes.
Notification on your iPhone to start directions when it's safe to do so. If you don't see a notification, you can turn these on in your iPhone settings.
So what it did right now, it opened the Maps app on my phone. Who benefits this device? This will only benefit people who are actually on the Amazon ecosystem. So if you have Amazon Prime, you know, Amazon, where's my order? Or Alexa, where's my order? Oop, I just accidentally activated her.
Order, placed today, should arrive Thursday, August 22nd.
Okay, so I did place an order. Anyway, this is a great device to have, especially when you're streaming music. Amazon now supports a whole lot of different music apps for you to choose from. Besides Amazon Music, you also have your Pandora, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Apple Music, and so on. 50,000 Alexa skills. Look, I just activated her again.
Popular skills. First is Jeopardy.
Shut
Play
up.
up to 12
Alexa,
minutes
shut up.
Clues each weekday from
Alexa, I
categories
said
that-
shut up. Alright. Also, one of the great features that I like is you can actually control, it's kind of scary actually, you can actually control your smart devices at home. Let's say you're going home, you want to set your thermostat to, you want to cool down your house to like 78 degrees or 75 degrees. You can actually do it from here. You can actually control your lights. As long as you have any smart plugs in your house that's connected to the Echo lineup, it will actually work. My only gripes is the execution, guys. The execution is just horrendous. I mean, look at this. Wires all over. Look at this. I don't know. They're thinking it's gonna be for your house, but this is for your car. Amazon needs to utilize power options they have in the car. So let's just say, I mean, I get it. They used a 12-volt socket to plug in a USB adapter so you can plug in the Echo. I mean, come on, guys. Compared to the Roviva right here, this is all in one. This is all you need. You just plug it in, you're good to go. You don't have to plug any wires or anything. I mean, unless you're gonna charge your phone, then you can. But this is the whole package here, guys, and it's really clean execution because all you have to do is plug it in and you're good to go. However, this one right here, okay, first off, you have the vent mount, which is, I mean, the build quality is great, don't get me wrong, build quality is great, but it's just the execution, guys. Look at this. And you have to pay separately for the air vent mount. I mean, come on, Amazon. What are you guys doing? All right, so I'm gonna set it right here. Let's say I wanna set it over here on top of my dash. You still have that wire. It's ridiculous. Put it right here, still ridiculous. Put it down here, maybe not so ridiculous because you won't be able to see the wires, but then again, you're still gonna have to fiddle around on how to hide these wires so you won't hit your leg or anything like that and, you know, create more problems while you're driving. Knowing that the plug is 2 amps on each USB port, you can basically just grab your regular Echo from your home and just slap it on here and call it a day. And this is no different. Look at this. I really wanted to like this, but I don't know, guys. I just do not know.
So there you have it, guys. My verdicts for the Amazon Echo Auto. I mean, I get it. I like the idea. But then again, I think Amazon has missed its mark when it comes to the execution of this product. I mean, let's face it. The Rode Viva is actually a standalone device. It doesn't have any wires. And the Amazon Echo Auto, it just looks so tacky in your car. And they include this weird looking vent mount to be able to attach it to your AC vents in your car. And that's another point taken out because it doesn't seem so integrated into your car. It just seems like any other car accessory, like a car charger accessory. Honestly, for me, the Rode Viva is a lot more streamlined and it's not in the way because all you have to do is plug it in, connect it to your Alexa app on your phone, and you're good to go. If you ask me, to be honest, you can actually get the Echo input for like, I don't know, 40 bucks less, and it will do the same thing. So those are my thoughts, guys, for the Amazon Echo Auto. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button down on my channel for more videos. And go ahead and hit that bell icon so that way I'm gonna be putting more videos. I'm gonna try to do one video a week for you guys, so at least when you hit that bell button, you guys are gonna be notified so you'll be able to see content that I'm making. I really appreciate it, guys. And that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.